Alright guys, welcome to video 2, understanding the data. So basically we are focusing on 5 to 6 elements, understanding the market behavior. So first we are focusing on interest rate. So we must know which country they are increasing or decreasing interest rate. And the second element, GDP, also most important, even CPI, unemployment rate such as NFP, another PMI, and even we focusing on a stock earning also. This is the major mover. So we can say like this data can change the market direction. So that is why we must focus this data. Okay guys, let's go to a little bit deeper about this data. So here I can see this column, it's just showing importance. It's just showing by these stars how important is. If there are 3 stars, that is highly important. But 2 stars is a medium. Okay. So first here, this right hand side is just showing previous data already released, like previous. Okay. And that is called forecast, means analysts expecting that what result will be, and but what actual data released. All right, what actual data comes. So now you can see they expecting the data will be not that much good, but actual data, when actual data released, this is the worst. So this type of news are affecting highly in the market. So first here I can see this is medium impact, okay, and this is employment change. So here I can see that was previous data, but they're expecting it will worse, right? But actual result comes better. This is very important news. So this type of news changed the entire market. This is called shocking. All right, shock. So first they expecting 65K, but the analysts expecting and forecasting that it will worse, like it will reduce to 50K. But what actual result comes? 169K. That is the positive. All right. So this is totally shocking. All right. So this type of news changed the direction. All right. So next, another most important according to GPT. All right, Dwipen found. So that was expecting negative. That was previous data negative, but forecast it will be positive. All right, a little bit. So positive 10, but actual result comes extremely positive. So means negative is better. So in that case, all right, they are expecting it will be worse, but actual result release is worse than previous forecasting. All right. So another unemployment. This is medium important. All right. So it is unemployment rate. First, previous data, according to previous data, that was unemployment rate was 3.7% only, but analysts expecting that unemployment will same, no change. But what unemployment rate are there? 3.8. All right. So it will impact. So if you see, if you combine one positive, one negative, another negative, so 2 negative and 1 positive, means it will be mixed economy. It's not going to change. All right. So if suppose